This little fellow can flap its wings up to 80 times per second. It can hover and fly backwards. Is found only on the American continent and belongs to the world's smallest bird species. It is the hummingbird. There are a little over 300 different types of hummingbirds, but all of them are delicate and small. Even the largest of them all, fittingly named the giant hummingbird, only reaches a length of 8 inches. The smallest of the bunch, the bee hummingbird, is only 2 inches, not much bigger than its namesake. It only weighs 2 grams, a little less than a penny. Even though they are small, hummingbirds have very big appetites. They have a fast metabolism and visit up to 2,000 flowers per day to feed on. They gain 40% extra body weight when they get ready to travel. This allows them to travel roughly 23 miles per day. Their journey is an individual one and can be packed with challenges. Some of them fly 3,000 miles. Others have to fly 500 miles in one go to cross the Gulf of Mexico, showing their incredible stamina. Hummingbirds can endure these rough conditions because of their muscular bodies and blade-like wings. Unlike other birds, their wings only connect to the body from the shoulder. This allows them to fly in all directions, dive at speeds up to 45 miles per hour, and fly across a whole continent. But all that traveling makes a bird tired. When hummingbirds get ready to sleep, they slow their heart rates down from 1,200 beats per minute to a mere 50. As they unwind, they fluff up their feathers and flip back their heads. They barely breathe and save up to 60% of their energy. Bliss. It is no wonder that the indigenous people of the Americas worship them, and that even the gods were believed to love these colorful birds. Nearly every tribe has its own hummingbird story, and the saga continues. With bird feeders everywhere, who knows what adventures our little friends will share with us yet. Hi, my name is MC, and I'm the founder of Green Serenity. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'd like to take this moment to thank you for your support. At Green Serenity, our mission is to show people how wonderful nature really is. And you can help too, by simply liking this video and subscribing to our channel. You make sure that other people will see this video too. And of course, that is of great value to us. So if it's not too much to ask, I would be very grateful if you did. Thank you.